And basically, don't worry means you are the owner, but up to what time I am here.
Okay.
So means I think I am the owner.
Correct. That's
means maintaining up
correct.
that level. So if there is something you can.
Bawna kitchen light போடுங்க.
Wait, oh.
சொல்லுங்க சொல்லுங்க சொல்லுங்க
Delhi sir. Delhi. Your contract, right? No, sir, I am in the Rami guest line. Oh, Rami guest. Very good.